Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, the largest side square is equal to the sum of other two side square. Sum of the square of other two sides or sum of the other two side squares. It means that if this is a right angle triangle A, B, C, this is a right angle at A, to prove BC square is equals to AB square plus AC square. Is this clear? We will drop a perpendicular AD from A. Let angle BAD is equals to X. Is this clear? Then angle DAC will become equal to 90 minus X, because it is complete angle is 90. In triangle ADB, one angle is of 90, one angle is of X. So angle ABD is equals to 180 degree. So angle ABD is equals to 180 minus 90 minus X. So this will become ABD is equals to 90 minus X. It will become 90 minus X. So this angle will become equal to 90 minus X. In triangle ADC, one angle is 90 minus X plus 90 plus angle ACD is equals to 180 degree. So angle ACD is equals to 180 minus 180 plus X. So angle ACD is equals to how much? X. So this angle is X. Is this clear? Now we compare in triangle ABC, ABD and ABC and triangle ABC. अगर हम ABD देखें, this is ABD and this is ABC. This is A, B, D. This is how much? 90. This is how much? 90. This angle is 90 minus X. This angle is X. Here this is 90 minus X. This is X. So in triangle ABD, we can say angle ADB is equals to angle BAC, both are equal to 90 degree. Then we can say angle BAD is equals to angle ACB is equals to X. Or we can say third, angle ABD is equals to angle ABC, both are equal to 90 minus X. Both are equal to how much? 90 minus X. Then we have to write in a ratio. In front of this X, which side is there? BD. So in front of this X, it is AB. In front of this 90 minus X, is AD. In front of this 90 minus x is AC. In front of this 90, it is AB. In front of this 90, it is BC. Is this clear? So what we can take these two sides, BD upon AB is equal to AB upon BC, can be written as BD upon AB is equals to AB upon BC. So it is AB square is equals to BD square, BD into BC. This is equation number 1. This is considered as equation number 1. Got it? Now in triangle ABC, and triangle ADC, which triangle? ADC. What is ADC triangle? This triangle. This is A, this is D, and this is C. This angle is X, this angle is 90 minus X, this angle is of 90 degree. Now you have to compare these two. So we can say angle ADC is equals to angle BAC is equals to how much? 90. Angle ABC is equals to angle DAC is equals to 90 minus X. Here we can say angle ACB is equals to angle ACD is equals to X. Then what we can write? In front of this X, which side is there? AD. In front of this X, which side is there? AB is equals to 90 minus X, DC upon 90 minus X, AC. Then third is 90. In front of 90 it is AC. In front of this 90 it is BC. This you have to write in a proper proportion, proper ratio. That depends upon angle. So you can take DC upon AC is equals to AC upon BC. Now on multiplying AC square is equals to DC into BC. This is equation number 2. On adding equation 1 and 2. What is equation 1? Equation 1 is BD into BC is equals to AB square. Second is DC into BC is equals to AC square. It is AC square. Now you add them up. On adding, what you will get? BD into BC plus DC into BC is equals to AB square plus AC square on the right hand side. Now what is common between this? BC. BC is common. What is inside? BD plus DC is equals to AB square plus AC square. Now BD plus DC is BC. So it will become BC dot BC is equals to AB square plus AC square. So we can say BC square is equals to AB square plus AC square. It means that the largest side square is the square of the other two sides. This we have proved the Pythagoras theorem. This is a proof of a Pythagoras theorem. Is this clear? That the largest side square is the square of the other two sides. Now one more method to prove that the hypotenuse square is equals to the sum of square of other two. For that you take a square A, B, C, D. Each corner is of 90 degree. One more square is been drawn inside. P, Q, R, S is also a square. All the sides are equal. Then if this side AP is considered as A, this will be B. This is A, small a, this will be B. This is A, this is B, this will be A, and the remaining side will be B. the PQRS side is square having each side as small c. To prove, if you take one triangle, to prove that c square is equal to a square plus b square. In a triangle QDR, this angle is of 90 degree. This angle is of 90 degree. It makes the hypotenuse square is equals to the square of the other two. How? Area of any triangle, it is half base into height. Area of four triangles, there are four triangles, so 4 into half into a into b, so this will become 2ab. So area of all the four triangles is 2ab. Area of PQRS is c square. Area of square PQRS is c square. Now area of ABCD square is a plus b. One side is a plus b, so it will be a plus b whole square. Now according to the law, area of ABCD is equals to area of PQRS plus area of four triangles. So what is area of ABCD? A plus b whole square is equals to c square plus 2ab. If we open this, it will become a square plus b square plus 2ab is equals to c square plus 2ab. 2ab cancel. C square is equals to a square plus b square, which proves that hypotenuse square is equals to the square of the sum of the square of other two sides. Then this way also you can prove the Pythagoras theorem. That's all in the case of a Pythagoras theorem.